Today I'm talking about this WOLFBOX heavy-duty portable tire inflator. It was sent to me by the company so I could spend some time using it and give you my honest review. So in this video, I will show you everything that comes with this portable air compressor, go over all of its features, and demonstrate how to use it. But before I do that, I want to tell you about the 5 ways in which I think this portable tire inflator stands out from the competition. First, this one has a noticeably longer air hose than most portable compressors. That might sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference when you're trying to reach a valve stem that's sitting at the top of the wheel. I can leave the compressor on the ground and still connect it without having to lift or reposition anything. Second, this is a true heavy-duty inflator. It uses a dual-cylinder design, which means it pushes a lot more air than the smaller single-cylinder units you usually see. That translates to faster inflation times, which you will really appreciate on larger SUV or truck tires. And because both cylinders share the workload, it runs cooler and doesn't bog down the way smaller single-cylinder compressors tend to. Third, it has a large 12,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. That extra capacity isn't just about runtime. It allows the compressor to maintain a high power draw without overheating or slowing down, so you get consistent performance from start to finish. Fourth, it comes with a hard protective storage case. I really like this because I can toss it in the trunk or the back of the vehicle without worrying about it getting crushed or damaged. And when you want to carry it around, the sturdy built-in handle makes it super easy. And finally, if the internal battery isn't charged, you still have a backup power option, a cigarette lighter adapter, which you can plug in right here. Most portable compressors only rely on USB-C, and I've actually had a USB-C port fail on another compressor before, which meant I couldn't use it at all. Having a second way to power this one is a big plus. So now, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. So the first thing you'll notice when you take it out of the box is it all comes in this wonderful carrying case. It's got this sturdy handle, it zips shut, and when we open it, we'll see everything is divided into 2 sides. Over here we have the portable compressor itself, and then on this side we have this net over here, and behind that we have all of the included accessories. So let's take everything out so we can see everything that's included. So here's everything that was in the case. Over here we obviously have the portable compressor itself, and we'll talk about this in just a minute. But first, let's point out we have the user manual. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Over here we have some adapters and a fuse. We can see that we have this needle adapter here for balls like soccer balls, footballs, and basketballs. Here we have an adapter for a valve stem, and this would be to take a skinny valve stem like you might find on a bicycle and turn it into standard size so we can charge it, or so we can inflate it more easily. Here's a spare fuse, and then this here can be used to inflate floaties and things like that. We have a charging cable that we can plug into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle, and we have an air hose. So that's everything. Now, when we take a look at the unit itself, this is bigger than most portable inflators, and that's why it is marketed as heavy duty. You can literally feel the weight of this. It is very soundly constructed. And when we take a look at the top, this is where we attach the air hose. This is where we plug in the cord that would go to the cigarette lighter. And then on the bottom, we can peel this little flap back right here, and we'll see the USB-C port. Now that port is dual function. We can use it to both charge the internal battery on this compressor, as well as use it to charge our portable electronic devices like our smartphones if we want to use this as a power bank. So dual functionality, and when it's not in use, you can close it up to keep dust and debris out of there. Now, Let's power the unit on. We'll just hold this button and you will see very big screen, and it tells us the battery level, the mode. I'll switch between the modes. You see this is the automobile mode, the motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and then ball for basketball or whatever sort of ball you need to inflate. And then this is the manual mode. And again, all these modes I can increase or decrease as needed. And the whole point of the modes is that when you go through, it gets you in the general ballpark of where it thinks you might want to be inflating things. But again, you can adjust it to your own specific needs. Now, you see here, this is on PSI, but you're not stuck with that unit of measurement. We can rotate through different units of measurement. But since where I live, I use PSI, I'm just going to leave it there. And then you see the light up here. All I need to do is hold that button that I used to switch between different units of measurement. I hold that down for a few seconds and you'll see that the light comes on. This light is actually brighter than you might think. I'll show you in just a minute how bright it really is. And if I push this button again, you see that it goes into that SOS mode, flashing for help. And then if I hold this again, the light will shut off. Now, to attach the air hose, you'll notice that this end has some threads on it. I don't know if you can see that in the video. And all we need to do is screw it in there. We don't need to screw it very many times around or turn it very many times around, and it will get snug. And already it's snug. So we're ready to take this outside and show you how to use it. So as you can see, I have the unit turned on. It's in vehicle mode. I have it set to inflate to 36 PSI. And right now it's reading 0 PSI because I don't have it hooked up yet. I've already taken off my valve stem cover. So let's hook the hose up to the valve stem. And you can see it's reading 32 PSI. So when I push the start button here, it should start inflating and stop when it gets to 36. And that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. And I should also point out that because of the heavy duty nature of this portable compressor and the fact that I have used and tested a ton of these, this compressor inflated the tire way faster than a smaller portable compressor would. So this is going to save you time as well. As you can see, this light is more than bright enough for me to see whatever it is that I need to. If I should be stranded alongside the road at night and need to look at something under the hood or change a flat tire or whatever else I might need to do. So after spending time using this WOLFBOX heavy-duty portable tire inflator, I'm really impressed with how much capability they packed into a portable unit. The longer hose, dual cylinder pump, the big 12,000 milliamp battery capacity, the hard storage case, and the backup cigarette lighter powered option all add up to something that's simply easier and more reliable to use in real-world situations. So whether you're topping off tires, dealing with seasonal temperature changes, or inflating larger SUV and truck tires, this has the power and durability to handle it. I can happily recommend it. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to buy this product or you would like to learn more, a link is in the description. Thanks for watching.